The 2019 Tesla Model 3 uses an electric resistance heater and heat pump for climate control, different from traditional combustion engines that rely on waste heat. This electric system depends entirely on battery power, making it vulnerable to specific issues. The vehicle's climate control is managed through digital interfaces, allowing you to adjust heating settings from the touchscreen or Tesla app. Unlike gas cars, the heater draws directly from the battery, which can reduce driving range significantly in cold weather. The system uses an electric resistance heater for direct heating and a heat pump that efficiently moves heat from outside to inside the cabin. The heat pump absorbs heat from the outside air, compresses it to raise the temperature, and delivers warm air to the cabin while expelling cooler air outside. Common problems include HVAC system malfunctions where heating fails to activate, coolant pump failures that prevent proper heat circulation, and software glitches that cause erratic behavior, particularly in temperatures below freezing. Coolant pump issues often require professional repair, as shown in this example, where coolant leaks can lead to heating failures. The overall thermal management system coordinates multiple loops for the battery, cabin, and powertrain to maintain efficiency and prevent overheating or inadequate heating. While Tesla has addressed many heater problems through software updates and hardware recalls by 2025, owners still need to understand how the system's reliance on battery power and efficient thermal management affects performance, especially in extreme cold. Before exploring complex solutions, start with these basic troubleshooting checks. First, verify the climate control settings on your Tesla's touchscreen to ensure they're configured correctly. Next, check the coolant level in the reservoir and ensure it's a 50-50 antifreeze mix, which is crucial for proper heating system function. Third, perform a soft reset by holding down both steering wheel buttons until the screen restarts, which can clear temporary software glitches. Finally, use the Tesla app to check for any error codes related to the climate system, which can provide valuable diagnostic information for further troubleshooting. Tesla's over-the-air software updates often include optimizations for the HVAC system. Ensure your Model 3 is running the latest firmware, versions 11X or 12.x, released from 2023 onward. If the heater is still malfunctioning, try a deeper HVAC reset. Simultaneously, hold the fan and defrost buttons for 10 seconds until the system reboots. This can clear temporary software glitches that may be affecting heater performance. Keeping your software current is crucial for optimal system performance. The coolant pump is crucial for the Tesla Model 3's heating system. It circulates antifreeze through the heater core to generate the warm air that keeps the cabin comfortable. When the coolant pump fails, the entire heating system stops working because the antifreeze can't flow properly to produce heat. To inspect the coolant pump, first listen for any unusual noises coming from the front of the vehicle where the pump is located. Then carefully check the pump area for signs of coolant leaks. Common causes of coolant pump failure include electrical voltage fluctuations, blockages in the cooling system, and normal wear and tear over time. If replacement is needed, electric coolant pumps for the Model 3 typically cost between $500 and $800 for parts only. Due to the complexity of the electric vehicle system and safety considerations, if you suspect any issues with the coolant pump, it's best to have it inspected and repaired at an authorized Tesla service center. To diagnose HVAC system issues in your 2019 Tesla Model 3, start by checking for specific error codes through the Tesla app or by visiting a service center. These codes provide crucial clues about what's malfunctioning in your vehicle's climate control system. Common error codes like climate system malfunction indicate deeper problems within the climate control unit. This specific code often points to issues with the central processing unit that manages your heating and cooling functions. The HVAC system manages air distribution and temperature control through various actuators and sensors. These components work together to ensure proper heating and cooling throughout your vehicle cabin. HVAC failures often show up as no heat output or erratic fan speeds. Tesla's built-in diagnostics can pinpoint exactly which components are faulty, allowing for targeted repairs instead of guessing. Be aware of past recalls related to 2019 Model 3 heater cores. In 2023, Tesla recalled over 10,000 Model 3s from 2018 through 2020 due to heater core leaks causing coolant loss and potential fire hazards. Check if your vehicle was affected by entering your VIN on the NHTSA website. If your car was part of the recall, ensure the repair was completed. Heater core leaks can lead to a complete loss of heat. When dealing with Tesla Model 3 heater issues, some minor problems can be handled through DIY approaches like resets and fluid checks. However, complex HVAC repairs require specialized knowledge and tools. The most important consideration is safety. Working with the high-voltage system in electric vehicles poses serious electrocution risks. Statistics show that most heater issues are software-related and can be resolved professionally. Unless you have extensive experience with EV repair, it's best to leave complex tasks to certified Tesla technicians. Attempting DIY repairs on the high-voltage system is not recommended for safety reasons. To keep your 2019 Tesla Model 3's heater working reliably in the future, focus on preventive maintenance. Regular care can prevent many common issues from developing. Start with the coolant system. Flush it regularly every 2 to 3 years. This removes contaminants that can cause blockages and corrosion, ensuring efficient heat transfer through the heater core. Monitor your battery health using the Tesla app. As batteries age, degradation can limit the power available for heating, especially in cold conditions where the heater needs more energy. Consider using certified third-party repair services. As Tesla phases out support for 2019 models, these specialists can provide ongoing maintenance and repairs for your heating system. Keep your Model 3 updated with the latest software. Tesla's over-the-air updates often include improvements to the heating system, fixing bugs, and enhancing efficiency. By taking these preventive steps, you can significantly extend the life of your heating system. Proactive care prevents small issues from becoming major problems and keeps your Model 3 comfortable in any weather.